So this brake pipe here has proven quite hard to find. It's the driver's side front. I say they're all in the UK are pretty much fucking rusted. The same as this one here. This one's actually gone porous. It's leaked the brake fluid out of it. And you can't buy it separately. If you try and buy it, it's kind of all in the complete front section of the brake pipes. So what I'm thinking here is, I'm going to try and undo it. Try and get this nut off, which is seized by the looks of things solid. I'm going to try and cut back this outer sleeve here. As you can see there, they kind of mushroom up. All the water sits in them. They just corrode from the inside out. And I'm going to cut it back, and I'm going to try and see if I can flare the pipe and get a new nut on the end of it. I'm looking here. I've actually got a good bit to play with there, a bit of space. So let's see if I can kind of cut that, and I can maybe move this pipe up a little bit, sort of manipulate the pipe here. I can put a little bit of a bend on it, a gentle one there. Even try and bend the top bit there, and see if I can just try and repair the pipe instead of buying a complete section or trying to source one, which is trying to find hard. So we're going to go at that one, and then I'm going to try the exact same on the rear where I'm having trouble. The brake pipe is actually gone. I don't know if you could just see just how bad that pipe is. The pipe's actually split, but the nut into the union, let's just try and show you there. Has gone. Now I say when I turn that nut, it's just going to tear the brake pipe apart. But look, it don't really matter. It has to come off anyway. So pretty happy that's come off. Let's get this pipe off, see what happens. I just chop the sleeve off a little bit down here. I can go further for the repair. I'm just trying to see, like, I think we should have no problem really. We've got a good bit here to play with. We can put a bend in that gently. We can sort of manipulate this bit of pipe here a little bit so it comes up. So I might cut that sleeve all the way down here to the bend. I'm gonna go and cut this here, in a straight part where the bend is not in it. Hopefully we've got some good steel down there and we can make a nice flare on it. Let's see if we can get a cut on it. It's a little bit lower than what I wanted. It's due to the bend in the pipe. I can't get the tool in there properly. But it looks like it should be pretty clean down there anyway. Turned out quite nice, the cut on it. Got down some good clean metal anyway. It's a bit hard to see with the camera and everything. There's the piece we cut off. It's a bit hard to see, but it's on a nice and straight bit anyway, and that is some clean steel in there. Going for the flare now and see if we can get a nice flare on it. Okay, we're just going to try and flare the end of the pipe now. .316 first.
Just getting a nice end on it there.
Bit hard to see there, but the first one has been made, and then just
finish the taper off on it. That's it.
Flare turned out quite tidy, to be honest. I'm not really going to know until we bolt it up into the car, but quite happy with that. And that's it. I had to manipulate the pipe a little bit, put the sort of the bend it had in before so it would line up with the brake line on the chassis. Brought it around here so it's not rubbing. Bolted it back into the ABS unit, and seems to be a good fit. I'm not going to be able to tell if it leaks obviously until we bleed up the brakes, which could be a while yet, but I think we've managed to save this brake pipe instead of buying a new one, hopefully. So hopefully it'll be a good job.